In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to brand your Shopify store like a pro. By the end, you'll have a store that looks cohesive, professional, and unmistakably yours. Let's start with typography, because your fonts set the tone for your entire brand. In your Shopify admin, go to Online Store, then Themes, and click Customize. Open Theme Settings, then Typography. Choose a clear, readable body font and a distinctive heading font that reflects your brand's personality. Adjust the font weight and size so your headings stand out and your paragraphs are comfortable to read. A simple rule of thumb is to use no more than 2 typefaces, keep body text large enough for mobile, and use bolder weights for headings to create a clean visual hierarchy. Next, build your brand color palette. Search Pinterest for color palette inspiration and copy the hex color codes you love, like 100F5E6D3. Back in Shopify, go to Theme Settings, then Colors, click Add Scheme, and paste your brand colors. Give yourself a versatile set: a primary color for key actions, a secondary color for accents, a background tone, and a color for text. Aim for strong contrast between text and background to keep everything accessible and easy to read. Now, apply those colors across your store. Select a section in your theme editor and choose the new color scheme you created. Repeat this for banners, buttons, and other sections so everything feels unified. Keep calls to action consistent. Use your primary color for important buttons so shoppers know exactly where to click. Let's refine your buttons. Go to Theme Settings and Open Buttons. Adjust the border thickness, corner radius, shadow, and opacity until the buttons match your brand's vibe. Rounded corners feel friendly, sharper corners feel modern, and a subtle shadow can add depth. Make sure the text color contrasts well with the button color for maximum clarity. A professional foundation matters, so use a high quality Shopify theme. Choose something clean and mobile friendly, then upload it via online store themes, add theme. Customize it with your product's images and brand settings so the theme becomes your brand, not the other way around. Keep your branding consistent everywhere. Use the same fonts, colors, and visual style across your website, your logo, social media, and marketing materials. Consistency builds recognition and trust. Finally, preview your store on both desktop and mobile. Scroll through your homepage, product pages, and cart. Make any final adjustments, then publish your branded Shopify store. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Shopify tips and tutorials.